Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of setting up MikroTik VPS from scratch. From choosing your server to installing and fully configuring MikroTik, everything will be explained in a simple and easy-to-follow way. So if you're looking for a clear, beginner-friendly guide to get started with a MikroTik on a VPS, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a virtual machine. Open VirtualBox. Click on New or press and hold Ctrl-N. Then name your virtual machine something like this. Choose type Other and version Other Unknown 64-bit. Then choose where to save the VM files if needed. Step 2. Set RAM and CPU. At a minimum, assign 128 MB of RAM. For the CPU, 1 core is enough for basic tasks. But you can assign 2 cores if your system allows it for better responsiveness. Step 3. Connect the MikroTik hard disk. Select Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Then click the folder icon on the right side to open it. At this point, the VMDK file should be selected. Once you confirm that it is the correct file, click on Next to continue. Now click on the Finish button and complete the setup. Step 4. Adding a network adapter. We need 2 adapters, one for the WAN connection and the other for the LAN connection. So we need to add it manually. Right-click on Virtual Machine and select Settings from the menu. Step 5. Configuring the WAN adapter. To change the WAN adapter, click on Network. Under Adapter 1, make sure the box named Enable Network Adapter is checked. Then change the Attach to option from NAT to Bridge Adapter. NAT can be used, but limits control. Step 6. Adding the LAN adapter. To add the LAN adapter, go to the Adapter 2 tab in the Network Settings. Make sure Enable Network Adapter is checked. Set Attach to as Internal Network in the Name field. Enter a name. Once it is done, click on OK to save the settings. Step 7. Starting the MikroTik VM. To start the MikroTik virtual machine in VirtualBox, either double-click on the VM or right-click on it and select Start. The VM will begin booting up, and after a few moments, you will be prompted to log in. That is all you need to install MikroTik on VirtualBox. So now let's move on to configuring the MikroTik server. To easily complete these steps, go to the link I provide in the description. And that's it! Your MikroTik VPS is now up and running. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can check out NeuronVM website MikroTik plans for more details and to find the right plan for your needs.